Island girls, we're 1 week away from Christmas. Can you believe it yet? You bake your fruit cake yet? Anyways, come take a walk in my kitchen. Let me show you how I bake my Christmas fruit cake, rum cake, black cake, whichever name you want to call it. So I'm going to start by creaming my butter and my sugar. Rule of thumb, this is what I learned from day one baking cake. Pound of butter, pound of flour, pound of sugar. So I'm doing a 2-pound mixture right here. And while that is creaming in my stand mixer, I'm going to crack my eggs. I'm doing 12 eggs. Of course, I'm going to take the eyes out of it and I'm going to grate one lemon, the rind of one lemon in it. And I'm going to slowly add the eggs, a few at a time because it is already combined. And then you want to clean up your bowl as you go along with your spatula, just like that. Tell me what do you do different when you are making your rum cake, black cake, or if you are from another island other from Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican girl here living in Canada. If you are representing another island, tell me, what do you call your cake? Because for us, it's Christmas cake, it's rum cake, or it's black cake. Now, while that is also continue to cream, now I'm going to sieve my flour. And to my flour, I'm going to add all my powder spices. Just go into your cabinet and pick out all the spices. I usually add cinnamon, allspice, and also some nutmeg. Then, after all the eggs are added and everything nicely creaming and done, then I draw off my biggest bowl I have. You see that? Yes. I'm going to empty out the cream mixture. Then I'm going to gradually fold in my wet and my dry ingredients. I had already added some of the blended fruits, but I'm going to add some more and blend that up, pour it in. Then now I'm going to add my browning and all the liquid spices I have in my cupboard. Usually I add rose water, almond, almond, vanilla, and some mixed essence that I have. And usually, as you see, I added my browning also. Then you're going to fold it. You see that? Cut and fold. Cut and fold. That's how I do my fruit cake. Cut and fold. By the way, do you blend your fruits or you put it in whole? I prefer my fruits blended and I like this consistency right here. Now after that, I like to use these are the fancy containers from the dollar store. And I've gotten a few orders. So these are orders going out. And this is the first batch. Usually I do a couple batch. So this is batch number 1. After it's done baking at 300 degrees in the oven, when it comes out, I spray it with my rum and my wine. Anyways, thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. Enjoy. Thanks again.